Hey guys, Sea Dog here with
Ottawa the Redneck.
and
Yeah.
today, do we even want to do this?
No, but let's do it.
Alright guys, so we were looking through a truck that's been sitting for a year and a half, alright? And I got this thing running today. So, and this dip was in here, and the expiration date is,
Over a year and a half ago.
December 21st of 15 is when it expires.
Oh fuck!
Alright, so, and here's the dip. We found it in my bed toolbox. Alright.
So almost 2 years old.
Yeah,
Let's see how much is
2
in
years
there,
old.
so we can see how small dip pinches we got. Oh,
Oh, God.
And it looks moisture as hell too.
oh fuck!
I mean, the only way to
got
find out if it's
rainwater in
gonna
it.
kill us, you know. I mean, he's gonna take the first dip.
Nope.
Yeah.
We're rock paper scissor in this bitch.
Fuck
Oh,
that.
fuck.
Woodsman, this is
Oh.
for you, buddy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Woodsman, this
Woodsman,
is for you, bro.
Fuck you.
Really, you're gonna be a dick.
No, I'm fucking.
And of course, the blue roadie.
It's gonna be the blue chody too.
The blue
Soon.
And
Cody.
Oh yeah,
The
we're
trash
gonna-
can.
We might need that.
oh shit, I just dropped it on your fucking toe.
I got boots
Oh my
on.
god, man, this is bad.
All right, ladies.
Come on, bitch. Wait. Oh, yeah, we're just back it. Get the fuck up. Oh, your first dip.
Oh, your first dip.
Well, no, you had it right,
Really?
then went to scissor. Fuck. I'm second. You're last. But yeah, I saw that little cheat
Man,
move
it
that
came
you
out
did.
of my truck. I'll let you have the dip can.
Okay.
Hey, but no, you saw that. You're like, bam, bam, bam,
No,
bam.
If you take first dip, I'll let you have the dip can. But
I'm
if I
not-
take the first dip, I'm keeping the can.
You go and keep that motherfucker.
I gotta smell this.
Oh, I don't even want to. I'm not excited for it.
You can tell it's moisture, but it smells like a dead ass skunk.
Let me smell it. Oh. Oh. Oh, God. Fucking Stokers. Mixed with death. Don't puke already.
Alright, well,
Kind of PDS, motherfucker.
I need life alert.
PDP.
Help!
PDP.
I lost my
Pack
bottom
dip
lip.
puke.
Yeah, PDP, pack dip puke.
Small dips.
Oh shit.
So we can share. I don't want to share.
Oh my god.
This-
No, I don't want to do this, man.
Come on, don't bitch out.
You're doing. No, let him go next.
No.
You know what? Yeah. Piss.
PDP.
PDP. Oh god, here
Oh,
goes.
God, it's so
Hold
dry.
up, I'm gonna get to the camera so no one knows I'm lying. Hold up. Watch out. This is the dip. You alright? This is the one from December 21st of 2015, the one that expired.
Oh, here.
Alright, man.
We're all putting this in at the same time.
Yeah, we're all putting it in at the same time, so no one taking fucking turns. Alright?
All right.
Y'all got better pinches than my ass. So, I got an itty bitty pinch because I don't
Oh
like
God, the
shit.
smell is terrible.
shit.
Alright.
It's in my wrong hand.
Hey, there's another toucan in there, too. Y'all there, so.
Oh no, I'm not doing this shit again. All right, you guys ready?
Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1.
PDP.
Oh. Mm. Oh, that's so nasty.
Mmm.
No. Hey, like an E.
I gotta say, I want to get a hold of Stoker.
Stoker's ain't bad, but this tastes like dirt mixed with rain.
Oh shit. I think my bed box leaks a little bit. It is from Tractor Supply.
Oh.
I'm taking that shit out. Wait, no, you still it in?
Yeah.
Fuck.
I'm holding this shit in.
Never again. Thank God I have Pepe.
Ooh, my god. Oh. This shit's aging like fucking wine.
Bad wine. He's out. Sea Dog's first one out.
I can't handle that shit.
All right, Yee. Between me and you.
Oh!
Don't puke. If you puke, I'll puke.
Aftertaste, bro. You're gonna regret it.
I already regret it.
Oh, that shit on my tongue, man. Shit is nasty. Just the goo, just the fucking feeling of it, man. It just feels like.
It made my mouth fucking dry.
Yeah.
Even after drinking Pepsi. Well, Pepsi. I don't even know if I want to chew my long cut wintergreen at the moment now.
Fuck no.
How many times are you gonna show that to the camera in the videos?
I don't know.
It's every time, oh, look at my Copenhagen wintergreen. We all fucking know you chew Coke when it.
Hold on. Copenhagen wintergreen. No? Oh.
Alright, how long are you keeping yours in?
Oh, you ever keep yours in?
I can go all night.
Alright.
By the way, it's like 1, 2 in the morning right now.
It is?
Yeah, it's 1.
Really?
Yeah, it's like 1:30.
I gotta check this shit.
I thought it was 12.
No, it's 1:30.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah. Huh. Fucking night owls. Alright, I'm done.
Ah ha ha ha! Ottawa for the win. Fuck this shit now. Oh, that's nasty.
Ugh.
Oh, that aftertaste. Tastes like dirt.
Oh, shit.
Alright, guys.
God.
This is Sea Dog.
That was a stupid ass fucking decision. I'll get gone and get the fuck on out of here.
This is Sea Dog. Catch you on the flip side.
And Yee ran away.
Yee ran off. Yee! You gonna be saying any goodbyes or no? Oh, he ain't answering well.
Oh, here he comes.
You gonna say any goodbyes? Really?
Love y'all.
Alright, this Sea Dog out. Catch you on the flip side, mother truckers.